Oh my gosh, this is the aperture one? How sick is that? For night riding. This is the cruiser board of the gods. It's so cool. Do not go out on me. My name's Aaron Carr. I'm sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today we're gonna teach you how to ride a You Make It, We Skate It! Yeah, dude, that's you. And this right here, that's a box. You wanna go inside the box? He's like, dude, I hate this job. You like your last job better? All right, so as you can see right here, properly labeled, You Make It, We Skate It. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that right now. Come on, boys, help me out. This has literally just been sitting like behind a shipping shelf and nobody knew what it was. We don't even know what it is. We've never, ever known what it is. That's all we know, just that. Oh wow, there was actually a... Hey Braille, love the videos. Made this for you, have a blast. The A team, and the hat has an A. Appropriately worn by Glow, the Glow team. That is a nice hat.
Kind of feeling the hat.
Hold up. I think this legit. Oh my gosh, this is the aperture one? How did we not know this has been here? This is from our friends at Aperture Lights. They made a board, you didn't know? Oh my gosh. Oh. A huge thanks to our friends at Aperture. They make incredible filming lights. I've been using them a lot. If you ever have seen a video of me in my garage, you've seen me using Aperture Lights. And they decided, you know what? We're gonna make a skateboard.
Already got trucks and wheels.
Dude, that is legit.
Wow.
Wait, hold up. So that charges it? No. How sick is that?
Whoa.
Battery gauge, 74%. Braille logo on the bottom. And wait, the best part, for night riding. I can't even look at it. Here we are. Here we are. Oh boy. Oh wow. How do we film this? Is it an electric board? No. Oh no. That is super cool. I gotta turn it off to see what it actually looks like. Okay, so on here, what is that? Those are LED strips apparently. Fully underneath the...
This is like the best thing ever made.
Dude, it is really sick. This is the cruiser board of the gods.
Those are Hawks? Tony Hawks?
Hogs, H-A-W-G-S. Close enough.
Cut that out.
Leave that in. Dude, this is legit. I love how it has the battery meter on the side. You see that?
That Braille imprint is just...
Who's got the 3-block? Oh, it's cruising. Oh boy. It's not dark anywhere now. Come on, Ollie. All right, I got you. Hold up. It's all light over there. Gotta go into the dark over here.
Go in the hallway.
Oh yeah, there you go. Finally, we can safely make it to the bathroom and take a dump. Oh, dude, it's so cool. That was legit. Who's got a kickflip? Man, a bunch of scared skaters. Don't worry, I got a kickflip for y'all. I feel like I need to turn the lights off. Do not go out on me. Oh! Let's go, boy. Now you know why they call him the Glow Boarder, the Glow Father. Whoa, it's tripping on you, Glow. The power of Glow is in the field.
Oh! Mowgli, you gotta get on this.
Let's go! We gotta get Mowgli to skate Bakersfield at night with this. Take it to the club, Mowgli. Oh, look at that, looks sick. That looks so sick right there, I love that. Okay, hold up. The battery's still at 74%. Okay, just went down to 73%. The lights are still going. No skateboard that I've ever seen, ever had sent to us was still going after the 5-stair, let alone the 3-block. This thing is amazing. Sure, it flickers in and out, but hey, there you go. Give it a little hit, flick it right back on. But for real, aperture lights, they are literally the best. I got nothing else on this. I got the kickflip. Go ahead, young guns. It's heavy, right? Oh boy, come on. First try! It's a sick Aaron Carr shirt. You can get it at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Go check it out. We got everything you need. Of course, the person that breaks it gotta be from Bakersfield.
I got scared. I mean, they're the mascots. If you don't land it, they'll give it to you. It's a pretty cool board. I'm actually surprised on how much it's lasting.
I can't believe how they did this.
Can you imagine like like actual LED grip tape? Like if Mob made something like this, and you get to like flicker it on like somewhere, like when it's time, like oh it's nighttime, I want to skate.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. This girl is on fire. Oh.
We should do karaoke sometime.
All right.
Braille karaoke.
My wife is hella good. Roar like a lion. Like a lion. Give it a wang danga. In Australia, that means go for it. Finally, we can get a properly lit atmosphere in this place. Maybe a little bright, maybe a little on the bright side. A huge thanks to Aperture for making this skateboard. This is not in any way, shape, or form a sponsored video at all, but I do personally love their lights. They have great lights, I'm using them, and I think that it was really cool that they made this skateboard. I think we showed everybody all the features of it. I don't know if you guys saw that logo right there too, which is super cool. You can check them out, link in the description below. Aperture. They make great lights, as I said. They also make great Braille skateboards. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you guys have an idea for You Make It, We Skate It, send us your idea. Skate it at BrailleSkateboarding.com. If you have a picture of it or you just want to email your idea, not something that we're going to make, but something that you're going to make and send to us. Hence the name of the series, You Make It, We Skate It. I love to see what you guys got. Skate it at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We have everything you need.